Risk assessments provide businesses with many security benefits, so it's a vital task that many security officers have. In this video, we'll be talking all about how guards should conduct a security risk assessment. Step 1. Patrol the site. The first thing guards should do when conducting a site risk assessment is patrol the site. This helps them to get a better understanding of the premise that they're protecting, such as how big the premise is, what equipment it has, and the different entrances and exit points that the premise has in place. Patrolling the site also helps guards to gain insight on the current security measures that the property already uses and how well these work. Step 2. Identify threats and vulnerabilities. The second step in conducting a security risk assessment is to identify. This is where guards will identify any potential threats on the site. This could be threats such as incidents of vandalism, break-ins, fires, or workplace violence. Security personnel will also have to identify any vulnerabilities on the premise. This could be any areas which look unsecure, have poor lighting, look like they could easily be broken into, or have a lack of surveillance. Step 3. Assess the risks. After guards have identified all possible threats, they should then review and assess them. Guards will first review the likeliness of this risk, thinking about how likely it is that this risk could happen. Next, guards will categorise how serious each risk is. There isn't a set scale for risk seriousness, but there's a general trend of not serious, minimal seriousness, and quite serious. Guards will also need to assess who will be at risk because of these threats. This could be any staff workers, any visitors on the premise, or even site equipment. Step 4. Brainstorm new safety strategies. The fourth step in conducting a security risk assessment is brainstorming. This step is where guards should think about the different ways that potential hazards could be prevented. For example, if a premise has an area which has a lack of surveillance, to prevent this, guards could suggest having a security camera installed there, or they could suggest that the area needs to be prioritised during their patrol tasks. Step 5. Report findings to the site manager. The last step guards will need to complete when conducting a security risk assessment is reporting their findings. Guards should record their findings down in a security risk assessment document. You can find a downloadable risk assessment document template on our article. We'll link it in the description box below. After guards have written down their findings, they should then give the document to the property's business owner or the site manager. So that's the end of our video. Do you think conducting risk assessments is an important task for security guards? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, and if you'd like to, why not subscribe to our channel as we make new security content each week. Thank you for watching, we hope to see you in another video.